In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple pages in Notion. Being able to view more than one page at a time is really helpful, especially if you're referencing notes while you plan or comparing two databases side by side. Instead of constantly going back and forth inside a single window, you can open pages in new tabs so everything stays visible and easy to switch between. We're going to focus on the fastest way to do this, using either your keyboard or your mouse. Both methods achieve the same result, so you can just choose the one that feels most natural for you. Let's start with the keyboard method. When you're in Notion, look at any page link, whether it's inside your main workspace, inside a database, or in the sidebar. On a Mac, hold down the Command key. On Windows, hold down the Control key. While you're holding that key, click on the page you want to open. Notion will immediately open that page in a new tab in your browser. This is especially useful when you're working through a list of related pages. You can keep your main overview page open, then Command-click or Control-click each page you want to review. Each one opens in its own tab, and your original page stays exactly where it is, so you don't lose your place. If you prefer using your mouse, there's an equally quick option. Instead of a normal left click, use a middle click with your mouse's scroll wheel on any page link or item in the sidebar. A middle click tells the browser to open that link in a new tab, and again, Notion follows that rule. The page opens in a background tab, and you can stay on your current page until you're ready to switch. This mouse method is great if your hands are already on the mouse and you don't want to reach for the keyboard. Just roll your mouse over the page you want, press down on the scroll wheel, and you're done. Once you've opened multiple tabs, you can use your browser's built-in shortcuts, like switching between tabs with your keyboard or rearranging them by dragging them left and right. That way you can group related Notion pages together and move quickly between them while you work. So to recap in practice, hold Command or Control and click, or use a middle click with your scroll wheel anytime you see a Notion page link. That's all it takes to open multiple pages and move through your workspace much more efficiently.